Hey, what's going on guys? This is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $500 to $1,000 with high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so basically guys, this is one of the member. She made $500 that day, so she has posted in the group. And this is another member. He made a $250 commission that day, so he has posted as well in the group. And here is another member. She made, as you can see here, you have received $334 to your e-wallet. So she made $324 from that program that we are all promoting here. So I'm going to show you how much I have made with this system, with this high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so guys, I have personally made over 162k in about 4.5 months. Okay, and as you can see here, this is one of the income streams that I am working with. Obviously there are several income streams in this system that I'm going to show you. So stick with me in this video and I will show you how you can get started with this system and how you can copy the exact program that we are all promoting. So basically guys, if I show you here, when you will click the first link from the description below, you can just skip the video and go ahead and create your account right now if you want. But basically guys, this is the system. Okay, it's a $49 per month, and if you click here, I'm ready, set up my system. Okay, then this system, this affiliate marketing system will ask you to fill your information. So you're gonna fill your information here and then you're gonna click create account and continue. And after that guys, you will land on the dashboard of this system. Okay, as you can see here. So a very good thing about this system is, like, if you are complete new and you don't know anything about creating a website and sending email, then good thing is that this system, they provide you pre-made ready-made landing pages, ready-made websites. Okay, so as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so they provide you several websites, several landing pages that is already made for you. So you don't have to create your own website. You simply just click here and here is your affiliate link. You just take it and you start promoting it. Okay, this is your website that you can promote. So you don't need to make your own website or your own landing pages, nothing. Okay, if you copy here, let's see another one. Okay, if you just copy this link address and if you open a separate page, so you can see here, this is your website that you're gonna promote. Okay, so that is the good thing guys, you don't have to create your own website. Okay, they provide you pre-made websites for you. Okay, and they also send you email follow-up to the leads that you send, so you also don't need to send emails. Okay, now guys, thing is how you gonna promote this system. Okay, and what are the other income streams? So basically guys, the very basic thing is, this is automated system. There are 4 different income streams mainly in that. Okay, and those 4 income streams, when you send traffic, that's how you make those commissions that you just saw my commission. Okay, now thing is how to send that traffic. Okay, so guys, basically here you can send the traffic through 2 methods. The number one is internal traffic. So guys, this system here, they have internal traffic source, so you can use their own internal traffic source and you can send the traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so that is the internal traffic, that is number one. This other one is the other traffic, where it comes YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. So you can use YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, like the way I'm creating this video. So this is the YouTube, right? So simply guys, this is how you can send YouTube, TikTok traffic, Facebook traffic. Okay, creating some little bit of contents, and then you get the traffic from TikTok and Facebook and YouTube. And the number one is internal traffic, that really converts well. So yeah guys, these are the 2 main traffic sources that you will be using, okay, to send traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so you can make commissions. So guys, if you want to get started with this program and if you want to make money like all these people here, or even like me, so yeah guys, if you want to make commissions like these, so go ahead, create your account. I have just put the link in the description, and once you will create the account, you will land on your dashboard, and you will be watching all this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and you will be ready to go. You will be able to make the commissions that we all are making. Okay, so thanks for watching. Create your account. See you inside.